When most people think of filming with a drone, they think of big, wide, dramatic landscapes. And you don't want your videos to look the same as everybody else's. Use your drone in a more intimate way to film yourself talking. Like this as a replacement for a dolly shot, or as an automated robotic camera operator using ActiveTrack, or as a tripod that you can move around super quickly like this low-angle shot. I can cut to this high-angle shot with just 2 seconds of setup time. There is some secret sauce you can use when talking to a drone. I'll get to that in just a second. So you're going to need 2 things to pull this off. The first is the drone, and second is some way to record the audio. So you can use maybe your phone with a microphone hooked up to it, or one of these external recorders like this DJI mic. You're going to need a way to sync up the video from the drone with the audio from whatever recorder you're using. So what you want to do is hit record on the drone, hit record on your audio recorder, and then make sure that your drone can see your hands, and then perform a few claps. Now just set your focus in the drone and talk to the drone like you would any other camera. Just remember to repeat this process every time you stop recording and then start recording again on the drone so you can sync up the next video file. Then when you're editing your video, line up where your hands come together with the sound of the clap in the external audio file. And that's exactly how you get the lips to sync with the audio, just like this. As for that secret sauce I talked about earlier, this is what it sounds like without the sauce. You can hear the sound of the drone propellers and it kind of ruins the effect a bit. You could try fitting low noise propellers, but it's so much easier to just use the magic voice isolator effect in DaVinci Resolve to remove the background noise. Check out this video to learn how to use it. I'm Jason Roberts, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.